Hey guys, welcome. We're here today at the wonderful Kirby Muxloe Castle. Not really a castle, as you can tell. It's actually a fortified manor. The guy that got the license for this, it was beheaded by King Richard III before he could finish it. So this is what you see. I'm just trying to get, basically there's a moat here. Got lovely greenery as well. And I thought, what a nice time to photograph it. I've been around here a long time. Keep driving past, but I've never actually been here to photograph or walk on the ground. So today is the day. I'm here again with Shane and my good friend Ben. Ben's off to Scotland next week. So he's going to be bracing himself, and if he does film it, keep an eye on his YouTube channel. If he doesn't, go to his blog at gettingby.co.uk, where he does update it all the time on every trip he does. Right guys, so I'm just going to put it on live view now so you guys can see the sort of frame that I've got. I'm currently at 24mm. I don't really like 24mm on this particular lens, the 24-70, because it kind of creates aberrations around the side. It gets a little bit soft. I can fix it in post, but it depends. I mean, the video that you're seeing now anyway of the screen, it crops it a little bit, so obviously I will have the top. But today I'm going to do exposure bracketing. Last week I struggled so much with exposing just for the sky, I totally forgot about the shutter speed, and well, basically I ruined the gate. I've had a lot of good comments though about the gate on the Peak District Facebook page, where some people actually like it. They said I've never seen it that way before, because everyone always shoots it the same way and edits it the same way, whereas I've done it a totally different way. No fault of my own, because I didn't want it to look the way it did. I want it to look like every other photographer's picture. But there we go, we've got a unique picture. So anyway, I'm going to take this shot now, and if it's any good, you're going to see it on your screen. So I'm just going to walk around here to try and look for a different composition. So there's a lot of nice reflections in the water there at the moment. I've never been here. There is this tree in the way of the ruins, but again, if I can frame this up nice, I might be able to get that back stack instead now. Not much reflection there though, but I do quite like the idea of this tree branch pulling out of here. It sort of frames it up, but we'll see what it looks like. We've only moved a couple of feet across. Let me just get this on my live view just so I can sort of see. I don't know if I like it or not. Maybe coming for a tighter crop, maybe. I'm not really keen on the framing of this. Manual focus, let's get that nice and dialed in, which is there. Is it worth a shot? I'm not sure. Might look quite nice as a 16:9. We'll take the shot anyway. I'm just going to darken the screen down so you can sort of see the kind of thing that I'm going for. So I've got obviously the stack here running alongside here, but I like this branch, the way it comes in and over to this part of the manor over there. So if the shot's any good, we'll see it on the screen, and I will bracket again just to try and get exposure for that sky, because I don't want to make any bloopers like I did last time. Right, let's give this a go. Right, so you've got Scotland then?
Yeah, going on Monday, getting the train up Monday, start the walk Wednesday.
So are you treating yourself this time to first class?
To get to Glasgow, yeah. But after that, no, I'm sleeping rough then for 2 weeks, so.
So what's your kit? What's your kit list for anybody that was going to do that sort of
I'll be honest.
Tent wise?
The kit list on the website, tent, I've got a 4-season, I can't remember what it's called actually, laser compact all season I've got. Now found the poles, so it's
that's the one that you used down on the Bristol to Leicester.
Yeah, I always use that one. Yeah, it's quite good because I'm scared of high winds and it can handle them.
What about the sleeping bag?
I use a quilt.
An actual quilt?
A quilt, yeah. It's a special camping one.
Right.
It's like Zen Bivvy. It's really good. It's quite. Oh,
so it is actually a camping one then. So it is like. So I kept thinking you had this like big 15 tog quilt on the back of you, like an homeless man.
No. It's quite light. It's about. This one's a winter one, so it's about 1 kilogram.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
So. But yeah, I'm a bit nervous about this one. Might end up coming home early when it all goes wrong.
So what's in your mind at the minute? What could go wrong?
It's just the weather. I'm just worried about the Out Hebrides. I haven't found anyone that's done it in winter. I mean, I'm sure loads of people have, but I haven't found anyone on YouTube that's done it. So I'm just thinking I'm going to get up there on the island in November and they're going to go, what are you doing? Go home.
Yeah.
So I'm just a bit worried about that, but hey, it'd be what it'd be. I'm sure it'll be
I hope it's good for you, mate.
But I'm really looking forward to the ferries. There's lots of ferries and I love ferries.
Yeah, that'd be quite cool to be fair.
Yeah. So I was going to vlog it again. The only thing is, when I vlogged it last time, I used this DJI Osmo action camera, and it all looked like it was a little bit warped.
Well, like fisheye.
Yeah, and I didn't like that. So I was interested in how focal lengths were. Is it focal length, the 22 mil bit?
If you've got a fisheye, it's going to warp it over the edges.
Yeah.
It's got like a dome. I mean, some 14 to 24 mil Nikon lenses, they've got a dome.
Right.
But they are actually quite sharp across.
Yeah.
But you've got to look at the angle of it. If you've got 180 degrees sort of point of view, then it's obviously going to see like that. Normally we use a 50 mil because that's normally like our eyesight. So my 50 mil that's in my bag in the car is more or less, you put that on, it's now what you can see, the field of view.
Right.
So it's all about the field of view. So
yeah.
But the Osmo is quite good.
Yeah, I just didn't like the way when I was using it, it looked like it was like.
Was it when you were moving and the edges were kind of
I didn't like
getting tighter in?
Yeah,
like warping.
But there's a setting that you can make it narrow.
Yeah.
What had happened is I'd come up to something, I'd say, oh, I'll film that church. Yeah. And it looked like the church is about 100 miles away, even though I was standing in front of it. So I think that must be just because it's the
wide perspective. Then you put it in wide view. If you put it into square or crop, that may work. I mean, I've had no real doing or dealings with an action cam. Yeah. I normally use my phone, but I imagine that's what you're getting. You might need to square it, crop it in.
So we'll see how that works out. So the sun's not come up yet.
No, it's not gone over the hills, is it?
Yeah.
Well, it would have been nice to see that come up.
I think it will. I think if we give it a few, it's really nice around here.
Yeah.
And it's so nice having it not windy. I know I'm sounding a bit lightweight, but yeah, it's nice when it's calm.
Yes, it's really nice.
Proper windy last week.
It was really windy last week climbing that mountain. I didn't think we were going to make it.
Yeah.
And then you chopped your hand off. How is it anyway?
Oh, it's all right now. It's just a bit.
Oh, it's a bit scratched, isn't it?
Yeah. And there.
On your form. The blood was horrific. It's one of them.
You shouldn't stop bleeding.
Right, guys, Shane, my camera dude, who's helping me film these vlogs, has found me an absolute amazing composition just here. Because I was over there, but I couldn't quite get what I wanted. And here I've got the reflexione that we like. Water could be a bit smoother, but apples and pears. But I love the framing around this. I'm going to show you what we've got on screen now. So you should see that now on screen, and just look at how gorgeous this is. So if I zoom in, can't zoom in, I have to use that to zoom in. Look at that. What a lovely shot. That is absolutely glorious. So I'm going to bracket the shot as well. We're at 24 mil. Again, it's not a focal length that I do like to use on this particular lens, but it should be okay. Pretty leveled out according to my spirit meter. So let's get to it. Let's take the shot. If it's any good, it's going to be on your screens. Right guys, sunlight's about to hit the side of this building now. Just going to put it into live view. You guys can see the sort of frame up that I've got if it comes on. Let's do that. Let's just darken down the screen. Perfect. So I'm just waiting for this sunlight to pop up, graze that building there. And it looks like it is starting to graze it, so hopefully it pops out the sky. But we're going to do more bracketed. So today it's all about bracketed exposure, where you can take 3 shots, 5 shots, 7 shots or 9 shots, take them into post, stack them all together and hopefully get the best exposed shot that you can get. So let's give it a go. And if it's any good, it's going to be on your screen. Right, tell you what, because of that sunlight looks absolutely amazing. Let's go back to Shane's spot, because that looks like the spot to go. Right guys, look at what we've got here then. Here's the sunlight, here's the reflection. You can see it on your screen now. Look at this, absolute epic. If only was on top of a mountain now, we'd be able to see the sunrise coming up. But today, it's all about bracketed shots and to try and get what we want. So let's take this shot before the light disappears again. Wonderful stuff. With the reflections and everything, it absolutely looks amazing. But if it's any good, it'll definitely be on your screen. I'm really happy with that. Look at the light
Oh,
now.
it's back now.
Look at that, absolutely amazing light. So it's definitely true what they say, chasing the light, because then it really opens up the possibilities of the picture.
It's funny, I've lived here for on and off for 50 years and I've never walked around this bit.
Well, that's a nice little picture as well, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. Currently, guys, if you did want to visit the actual building itself, it is closed. It's being refurbished at the moment. I forget the guy's name. What was the guy's name?
I don't know.
I forget the guy's name. Who was it who got, Hastings, weren't it? So Mr. Hastings got beheaded by Richard III, and Richard III, fun fact, was actually found right here in Leicester, in a car park.
Yeah, he was, yeah.
Look at that. Lads, I might have to, is it a picture? What do we think? Is this a picture or not?
That might be, I don't know.
It looks quite cool through the trees, doesn't it? I think I might have to go and get a picture here.
Yeah, all that.
It looks amazing, especially with the duck. Just so you guys can see what we're actually looking at, is that sort of frame.
Quite good, because you can't see the pub. There's a pub behind there, but you can't see it.
Yeah, I remember that pub. We went there for Kay's grandma's 80th.
Right.
We had a meal there. It's quite nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Absolutely amazing. Do I get the shot?
Sun's coming back.
I can't really see a composition. That's my problem. I like the framing of the trees, but I think it's too flat because we're looking at it flat. I think we need to be at an angle rear left to make it really good. But that's sun. Look at the light on the trees at the background as well. That's actually a shot just here. Right, so I'm going to do this on portrait mode right now as well. So let's see what we got. A bracketed shot. Let's show you on screen what I'm sort of looking at. So that's what I'm looking at, as you can see, with the nice sunlight there just hitting the screen. So let's give it a go and see where we're at. I've got this other frame up here, whether it's any good or not. We are missing obviously a bit of this, but I do like the sunlight, I like the water, the reflections on there, the way it's working. And I like how it's all framed up by these lovely trees here. So hopefully it's a nice shot. If it is, it'll be on the screen. Right guys, I found this other little composition here showing the Kirby Muxloe Castle in the background there. But these reeds, I've got quite close up to all of this here. Just show you on screen what I have got. So yeah, this is the type of thing here. So it's like framed up with all of these leaves with the castle in the background. Hopefully it makes a nice picture. If it does, it's on your screen. Let's do that bracket again. F8, 250 per second, ISO 100. Should be a nice shot. We'll soon see when we get back into post. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed today with the bracketed shots. I've used it, I'll be honest with you, I've used it as a safety gap because I did try to expose for the sky in my last video and I totally ruined it and got quite upset, to be fair. So I've done bracketed shots. So what that means is it takes shots, normal exposure, 1 over, 1 stop more and 1 stop less. So you can have 5 shots, 7 shots or 9 shots. And whatever shots that you need really, and then you can merge them all in and then you've got the perfectly exposed picture. Obviously I'm new to landscape photography and learning all these skills because normally I'm a wedding photographer, which is easy compared to this. Don't get me wrong, it's got its problems. It's very fast paced and you are shooting somebody's special day. With landscapes, this is more for me and my mental health. It gets me out and I get to meet new people and see new faces and epic landscapes. So it's absolutely great, especially with all these autumnal colours as well at the moment that we've got. It's just absolutely brilliant. There might be one more shot in the bag, but we'll see. But for now, if you do like the video, please do subscribe. Please do click like and do leave a comment below what your favourite shot was from today. And if I'm doing anything wrong as well, just let me know what I've missed or what I could do better next time, because there's a lot better photographers out there than me at landscape. So I'm always wanting to learn.